Hello, amazing people. Hazel Bulubisi here. If you're an oldie, welcome back. If you're a newbie and you like what you see, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Join me this week as I visit Oloolua Nature Trail that is located in Karen, Nairobi. I went there on one of the weekday afternoons. It costed 200 shillings to enter the nature trail. There are other activities there. If you want to do a picnic, you're allowed to do a picnic. If you want to camp there, you can camp there. And I think you can also rent a bike and just cycle around. The one thing to note is that payment is made via e-citizen. So you can't pay cash, it has to be via the online platform. Another thing to note is that they don't allow any plastics inside the park. So on this day, I had really packed for a picnic. So I had like plastic cups, plastic plates. I had to leave all that at the gate. So they don't allow you to go with those things. Just a point to note. The trail is about a 5-kilometer walk, but I didn't go the whole 5 kilometers because I had a basket of food. So I just looked for the main things, which were the small waterfall and a small cave. Then I eventually found somewhere to sit and eat the food that I had come with. The initial plan had been to go on a picnic with a friend, hence a large amount of food, but things happen and plans change, so I just decided to go by myself anyway. Don't mind me here, I was just busy minding my business, lost in thought. Then I quickly noticed people were coming and stood up to quickly stop the recording. Yeah. It's usually so awkward when you're trying to record, then someone finds you recording and you don't know how to explain yourself. But yeah, once I passed, I went back to minding my business. I find myself enjoying nature, especially on days where it feels like my mind really needs a break. So this was a really nice midweek retreat. See, there's a deer over there. So cool. Oh Lord. What else is in the bushes? Oh God. Hope I don't meet anything dangerous. That's it for this week, folks. If you're interested in seeing other things to do within or around Nairobi, please hit the link just shown on the screen at the moment. It should take you to a video about me hiking in Tigoni. Other than that, I hope you have a nice week. See you next time. Bye.